Dear students, today we are going to start chapter number 5, acid, bases and salts. So first of all, whatever things we are eating, they all have certain taste. So some things taste sour, some sweet, some salty and some bitter. So let us see what are the common substances in our day-to-day life and what are their tastes. So edible substances have different tastes. Some have sour taste, some bitter taste, some have sweet taste and some have salty taste. So here is the example of 12 common substances and corresponding to them are the tastes of those substances. So first example is of lemon juice whose taste is sour. Orange juice can be sour and sweet both. Vinegar is sour. Curd sour. Tamarind it's sour. Sugar it's sweet. Common salt is salty. Amla is sour. Baking soda is bitter in taste. Grapes can be both sour and sweet in taste. Unripe mango, it is sour in taste. And the ripened mango, it is sweet in taste. Glucose is sweet in taste. Now the second point in this chapter comes about the acids. So what are acids and what is the taste of the acids? Acids are the substances which have sour taste. These substances are acidic in nature. So here is a list of certain substances which are acidic in nature. Okay. Here it is lemon juice which is sour in taste, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind and so on, just like the first slide we have studied. Okay. Here we have found that vinegar consists of the acid known as acetic acid. Ants consist of the acid which is known as formic acid. Citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, they consist of an acid which is the citric acid. Curd consists of the acid which is lactic acid. Spinach, oxalic acid. Amla consists of ascorbic acid. Tamarind, grapes and unripe mango consist of tartaric acid. So here you can easily find out, like in the first slide where we saw 12 different substances and each of them were having different taste. Like some were sweet, some were sour, some were salty, some were bitter in taste. But specifically in the next slide, that is the slide of the acids, we are seeing that these substances, 7 substances which are mentioned over here, they all are having sour taste. You can recall each of them. They all have sour taste. So this sour taste of these substances, it is due to the presence of acid. And these are the names of the acid: acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, ascorbic acid and tartaric acid, which is responsible for the sour taste of these substances. Okay. Now let us start with bases. So what are bases? Just like acids, we have discussed that acids have sour taste. Bases are the substances which have bitter taste and they are soapy in nature. They have a soapy touch and these substances are basic in nature. So here is the example of 4 substances which are bases: lime water, window cleaner, soap, milk of magnesia. So what are the bases present in these substances? Calcium hydroxide is the name of the base in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide is the name of the base in window cleaner. Potassium hydroxide and sodium hydroxide is the name of the base in the soap. And magnesium hydroxide is the name of the base present in milk of magnesia. Okay.